TV, and don't forget to pre-bell icon, like and share videos of my channel so that you may get more videos from Sumi Health TV. Today I will tell you about natural remedies to treat hair fall. Eggs are rich in sulfur, phosphorus, selenium, iodine, zinc and protein, which together help promote hair growth. To prepare the mask. 1. Separate 1 egg white in a bowl and add a teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. 2. Beat to make a paste and apply it all over from root to tips. 3. After 20 minutes, rinse with a mild shampoo. Coconut milk, the protein and essential fats in it promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. To prepare the milk. 1. Grate a medium-sized coconut and simmer it in a pan for 5 minutes. 2. Strain and cool. 3. Then add 1 tablespoon each of crushed black pepper and fenugreek seeds to the milk. 4. Apply on your scalp and hair. 5. After 20 minutes, rinse with a shampoo. Greek yogurt and honey. 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey and lemon in a bowl. 2. Using a dye brush, apply this paste on the scalp and roots. 3. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with cold water. 4. Apply this paste once a week. Amla. 1. You can mix lime juice and the amla powder to make a paste. 2. Massage it to your scalp and hair. 3. Use a shower cap to cover your head so that the paste doesn't dry out. 4. Keep it for an hour and then rinse it off with normal water. RN.